COVID self-testing kit. So wash your hands. Then step 2, check it's not expired. And then I need to open this thing and not spill any liquid. And then open this swab thingy. Make sure it doesn't touch anything. Then swirl up my nose. Left nostril, right nostril, 10 times each. 1.5 centimeters in. Okay, I just opened it. There's no line at all. So I need to test my nose. Okay, 4 drops. One, 2, 3, 4. I lost count. 15 minutes from now. Read after 15, before 30. I can see the liquid soaking through. So I put it in at 5:12. Hasn't been 15 minutes yet, but I can already see 2 lines. So Wednesday, I woke up with like a tickle in my throat. Then Thursday, it became sore. And Friday, it also was sore, and I took Chinese medicine. I took the test on Friday, the South one, and work said it wasn't negative. It wasn't positive, so it was negative. Friday late night, so Saturday morning, my throat got really swollen, couldn't sleep, and then I took painkillers. And then when the pharmacy opened, got some medicine, Korean medicine, don't know what it is. And then Sunday, also couldn't sleep, took more medicine, took painkillers. Strepsils helped a lot. And then it's this test Sunday night, and I can see 2 lines. Still waiting for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's just past 15 minutes. So if it's just C, it's negative. If it's CNT, it's positive. If it's a faint T, also means positive. This is a really, really dark red, pink line on both of them. So I have COVID right now. Well, I have to get the PCR test to be certain, but I don't know how accurate this is. I heard the Korean tests are like 70% accurate, which is why you need to do the other one. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because this is up to 30 minutes. But that line is just getting darker and darker. Okay, it's almost been 30 minutes. It's still 2 lines. Tomorrow morning, I need to take the little test thing to a health center so that I can get the PCR test. In Korea, we have about 270,000 cases a day, so only people with the positive testing can get it tested. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!